Dhanurasana, bow pose. Please don't attempt it if you have slip disc, abdomen injuries or diastasis recti. As a preparation, we will start with some milder back bends as cobra position, dynamically and statically. Please lift your legs towards the sky and see that the left lifting is narrowing the hip area. Open the psoas muscle, engage your core, and see that the lower back is remaining straight all the time. Now grab your ankle and just stay in this starting position and just feel your body. For a few times you can just lift up and a little bit go back to starting position. A few times dynamically. We just want to warm up the muscles and the joints. See that you're engaging the bandhas, you're activating your joints, the wrist, the elbow, the shoulders, the ankle, the knee and the hip joint. You can swing a few times back and forth. Just bring flexibility, elasticity at the back of your spine. After, you can just rest for a few breaths. And now we will do the actual asana. Grab your ankles and see that you're flexing with your toes. See that there is power in all your joints. Spread your consciousness through the body. First, lift your knee as high as possible from the psoas muscle, and after, lift your chest and lift your sternum. See that your shoulder is well aligned. The upper arm bone is inside the shoulder socket, and see that the back of the neck is easy. There is no tension in the back of the neck. You can do a one leg hand version, and in this way it will be also a strengthening asana, not only a back bending. You should keep the asana at least for 5-6 breaths. As we are lying on our abdomen, it's a very good massage for the intestines. And now I would like to show you a more advanced variation. In this variation, the weight will be on the hip and the femur, not on the abdomen. So start in the full version of Dhanurasana, and after, when you're keeping your joints very strong, very aligned, a few times swing back and forth until you are able to come to your hip joints and lifting the navel button up to the sky. In this asana, it's very important that you are stabilizing the hip area, the lower back and all the joints before attempting this asana. It requires a few years of practice and strength in the body. So now I show you a modification. How can you start to practicing it? Place a cushion against your abdomen, but the pubic bone should be on the ground, and your hip area should be well stabilized, grounded. And like this, lift the leg, grab your ankle and just stay in this position. See that you're pushing your ankles into your palm and see that all the joints are very firm. When it was enough, slowly you can rest for a few breaths. And now I would like to show you another advanced version when you do Dhanurasana with the upper arm next to the ears and the upper arm parallel with each other. And for this version, there is also a modification when you use a belt. I show you how to do it with a belt. The belt, you can use it in two ways. When you are a complete beginner, then you can fix the belt around your ankle and just let your arms straight and lift your legs towards the sky. And you can just stay in this position and see that all the joints on your body are strong. When you want to do advanced variation, then you can bring the upper arms to the front, the upper arms parallel with each other, fixing the shoulder joints, and then you can do these more advanced variations as well. It's very important that after back bends, you should always do some lower back stretching, and also rotating feels very good. So you can rotate for one side and the other side as well, some spine rotation and some shoulder rotation.